Pryd nes di dechrau dysgu?
Blwyddyn diwetha.
No
way.
Mis Ebrill.
Wow.
Like you open up, you think the jam's going to be good, boom, you open it up and someone's just absolutely blown their ass. Shag, marry, kill. Treiglad meddal, trwy nôl, neu llais. Croeso I pod Pwy Sy'n Galw, lle ni'n gofyn gwestai arbennig, cwbl o cwestiynau, a just cael chit-chat general. Heddi hefo ni hefo dysgwr Cymraeg, DJ cyflwynydd, Katie Owen.
Croeso.
Diolch yn fawr, siamai.
Sut di'n neud, Katie, ti'n iawn?
Dwi'n iawn, diolch, ti'n iawn?
All good, teimlo'n good.
Siarad I ni dan o beth ti'n neud. What are you doing at the minute? What's the news? Beth yw'r newyddion?
Dwi'n gweithio mewn Cymru. Dwi'n gweithio gyda JD. Ac dwi'n interviewed Tom Grennan.
Ooh, diddorol.
Nice.
Dwi'n prysur. Mae'n hyfryd.
Prysur, ni gyda cwbl o cwestiynau. Cwbl o cwestiynau. Yn siarad am beth ti'n neud pob dydd fel DJ, yn siarad am dysgu Cymraeg. A just bach o hwyl.
Ni just eisiau gwybod mwy amdana ti.
Ni eisiau gwybod mwy amdana Katie Owen.
Sounds good. Dwi'n ddim siarad yn Cymraeg yn rhugol eto.
That's all good.
Ond dwi'n mynd ar Nant Gwyfferin in May.
Fel cwrs, intense.
Intense, very intense. I'm looking forward to it.
Ti'n edrych ymlaen I hwnna? You looking forward to that?
Yeah.
Big respect. We love a Welsh learner fan hyn. Lloyd, ti eisiau dechrau ni off?
Ie, na I dechrau ta.
go.
I'll start. Ti'n clywed dau person yn siarad amdano ti yn Cymraeg, wyt ti'n dweud unrhyw beth?
Dwi'n dechrau canu yn Gymraeg. Felly mae y pobl gwybod dwi'n siarad Cymraeg. Tipyn bach.
Yeah, okay.
So if I sing a bit.
Well, so if you heard someone speaking about
Just
you in
burst
Welsh,
into song.
to show you could speak well.
Just to show I can speak it, I'll start singing like
That'd be
Ymar o
real.
Hyd or something.
Yeah.
Just as I'm like doing my lipstick.
Yeah, bydd hwnna'n awkward. Fi'n teimlo fel pan fi da mam, a ni mewn Llundain, y ffordd with my mum, a ni mewn Llundain, neu ni siarad am, ddim yn bod yn gas, ond just siarad am rhywun, like ni'n defnyddio'r Cymraeg.
Little gossip, yeah.
O ti erioed yn neud yna?
Yeah, of course. Like in school, obviously, pam o fi efo ffrindiau fi, a ni mas, gweud o'n ni mas yn y dre neu rhywbeth, and we saw someone, doing something weird. It's a cheat code. Just siarad Cymraeg, so man ddim yn deall beth i dweud. You're not hurting their feelings, man ddim yn gwybod beth i'n dweud.
When pryd fi'n first moved to London, ac I'd had a few Yfed guru, I'd pretend to speak Welsh but make up like a fake language, and no one would know because pawb siarad Saesneg yn Llundain, and I'd be like,
oh my god, that's so impressive.
dwi'n hoffi coffi. Caig a drwf ysgol ac yn dda.
I remember nights out, I used to, os o fi'n clywed rhywun yn siarad Cymraeg, I used to go up to him and I used to go, what language are you speaking? Why are you speaking that language here? We speak English here.
No
I wouldn't have been about, oh, what are you talking about? I was like, fi Jack, fi siarad Cymraeg. They loved it. Like an icebreaker.
Yeah, go on, with your question to you.
Okay, so, you're learning Welsh at the moment, ti'n dysgu Cymraeg. Oed ti di dechrau meddwl yn Cymraeg eto? Have you start thinking in Welsh yet?
Yeah, pryd dwi'n ffilmiau iaith o'r daith, blwyddyn diwetha last year.
Yeah.
Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg bob dydd, gyda dweud rhywbeth yn Gymraeg, ac dwi'n gwrando Radio Cymru, a gweilio S4C, a dwi'n dechrau meddwl yn Gymraeg pryd dwi'n cerdded ar y street, be walking on the street, kind of narrate my day in Gymraeg yn fy pen, and it'd helpu fi.
Well, that's a good way to go about it.
A dwi'n dechrau dreaming yn Gymraeg.
Oh, really?
Pryd dwi'n ffilmio iaith ar daith, achos dwi'n immersed yn Gymraeg, started dreaming in Welsh, and I was like, oh, this is cool.
I don't even dream in Welsh.
Fi teimlo fel, I dysgu, os ti'n dysgu, ti'n meddwl yn Gymraeg ar pwrpas, yeah? Like, ti'n trio.
Dwi'n trio,
yeah. Ond I fi'n meddwl yn Saesneg trwy'r amser.
Fi'n meddwl yn Saesneg, blaw am os... Hyd yn oed nawr fi probably yn meddwl yn Saesneg, ond fi'n gwybod beth fi angen dweud yn Cymraeg, like I know what to say.
Like that internal dialogue is like English for me.
Is your first language Welsh?
English.
Cymraeg o Saesneg?
Fi'n meddwl mae'n dibynnu beth yw iaith gyntaf y fe. Like, what's your first language? It depends what you're thinking, I reckon.
little voice narrating your day.
Yeah.
It's a subconscious thing for us now. We just automatically can translate it quickly, what we're thinking into what being.
It's like Google Translate in your head.
I
need that.
Yeah.
Bydd e'n dod though, soon.
Definitely.
Okay. Wyt ti wedi cael unrhyw embarrassing moments pan ti wedi bod yn DJ-o neu perfformio?
Yes, pryd dwi'n DJ-o ac Introduce the Acts ac Leeds Festival blwyddyn diwetha. Wow. Megan Thee Stallion was coming on stage.
A ti'n yn neud y cyflwyno?
Dwi'n DJ-o ac accidentally played... so I played a Cardi B can.
Oh no.
Didn't realise, because I hadn't saved it as the WAP with Megan Thee Stallion. I thought it was just Cardi B, and I was playing it. I remixed it with gyda Rihanna. Ac pawb ar y crowd going like mental singing. Ac an American man come up to me and he was like, "Hey, you can't play Megan before Megan." I was like, "Oh, shit. Mortified. I went bright red. That's, one thing you cannot do as a DJ. Play chwarae y can.
What was the
main can here?
Yeah, that's great. What was the experience? Leeds, bailed experience. Because we got all the videos and it looked crazy.
And hygoel, at first dwi'n teimlo scared ar go on, stage, siarad, llawer o pobl, loads of people, ac my experience and gwych, amazing. After the first time, I just didn't want to get off the stage then. Yeah. It's happening, Leeds!
That's a big gig, hefyd, Leeds, like,
mae'n hygoel.
Ti di cwrdd enw un enwog fyna? Did you meet anyone famous?
Yeah, llawer pobl, it's hard not to ask him for a picture. I had to try and remain like professional and cool, so I was just like, not phased. Inside, I did ask Slow Tie for a picture. I said, "My mum, carry tea. I need to send her a picture." And I was like, "Haha, it's me who loves you, not." Do
you want to say chwarae teg? Mam tea and carry?
Yeah, my mum, carry tea.
That's a cool move.
Just a selfie, please.
All right, I've got a little. Oh, I like this one. Okay, shag, marry, kill. Treiglad meddal, trwy nôl, neu llais.
Kill all.
Yeah, same.
Please.
Get rid of it.
A dysgwr, yn confusing.
Yeah.
Ond dwi'n trio, dwi'n meddwl, it'll come more naturally, but ar hyn o bryd, kill all, please.
Yeah, fi'n teimlo fel, I'm not even good.
Beth wyt ti'n...
Mate, yeah, all of them are dying as well.
Fi ddim yn... Fi just yn dweud be fi'n dweud. Like, whatever comes out. Like, beth fi'n dweud yn naturiol na beth fi'n mynd at. Mae weithiau, ti'n gallu, like, mae rai yn mwy amlwg na rai arall.
Ti'n neud a good efo treiglad though. Pam ni'n neud cerddoriaeth, when we're making Welsh music, you've got a good grasp on it.
No, I think, like, if I think about it, yeah, but it's not always perfect. But I feel like whatever comes out
just
naturally,
go with the flow,
just go with it.
Yeah.
I feel like when you become fluent, I think you'll probably agree, it's like, ish, like why it is, like it's just like from saying it before, and it just comes out like that.
Sticks gyda'r pen.
If you make a mistake, then honestly, who cares? That's all.
Yeah, but no boundaries. That's the best thing about Welsh now. Fi'n meddwl mae mwy o pobl yn dysgu because they see less boundaries. Don't have to be perfect. Chi'n gallu siarad bach o Saesneg yn y fe. So just get your point across. And that's the thing about learning i fi. Fi'n meddwl mae'n really da bod ti'n dysgu and you're putting yourself out in front of cameras as well. In front of cameras as well. Not just,
Dwi'n meddwl, pryd dwi'n siarad gyda, fy llystad siarad Cymraeg yn rhugl, ond traditional Cymraeg, textbook Welsh. Ac pryd dwi'n dechrau dysgu Cymraeg, dwi'n trio siarad gyda hi, and he'd stop o fi and say, no, you're doing it wrong. And then in the end, I was like, you know what? I'm not going to speak to you in Welsh anymore. So mae'n braf siarad gyda pobl ac dwi'n trio Cymraeg and dim correct fi, mae'n helpu fi, trio helpu fi.
Pryd nes ti dechrau dysgu?
Blwyddyn diwetha, last year. Mis Ebrill.
Wow.
Bryd, achos dwi'n mynd ysgol yn Saesneg and dwi'n dysgu, how to count to 10. It's dim conversational, ac achos dwi'n byw yn Llundain, dwi'n siarad, bob dydd yn Saesneg, ond dim cwrdd pobl ymarfer siarad gyda. Felly dwi'n trio.
Blwyddyn, though, that's crazy how much you've got. Llai na blwyddyn, that's crazy.
Diolch. Mae'n anodd.
Mae'n really anodd.
Man, anodd. Yeah, you're doing it though, that's the main thing.
Fi'n dweud, pam ti'n mynd i ysgol Cymraeg, mae'n hawdd, oherwydd erbyn blwyddyn 2, ti just yn gallu siarad Cymraeg, like, heb trio, like, without really trying, you just, I don't know, like, soak it up.
Yeah.
But, like, as an adult, I feel like it'd be so hard to learn, because it's so tricky.
Yeah, dwi'n meddwl, achos dwi'n caru, Cymru yn siarad Cymraeg, the great-grandparents all fluent Welsh speakers, so I want to kind of keep it at a teulu and not lose it.
Yeah, no, I respect that a lot.
By ti'n anfon plant ti I ysgol Gymraeg?
Yeah, bendant. There's a Cymraeg ysgol ar Llundain.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I'm like, they're going to go.
That's nice.
Cool. Yeah. Right, question B. Question nesaf. Okay, yeah. Fi'n meddwl, fi'n gwybod y ateb, I think I know the answer to this.
Oh, okay.
Beth yw'r peth anodda am dysgu Cymraeg?
Mae'n anodd fer pryd dwi'n siarad gyda pobl a siarad Cymraeg yn rhugl and you get things wrong. I think it's a bit embarrassing.
Nah.
And pryd dwi'n siarad gyda pobl and they correct you and the mutations and stuff and like for llystad trio, he was trying to help fi and it puts you off and kind of knocks your confidence a bit.
For sure. Dyna bit thing you efo Cymraeg is you want to just soak it up as much as you can. Siarad I pobl sy'n siarad Cymraeg and you want it to be as fluid as possible. So pan mae pobl yn stop at you in a conversation and they're stopping you and
no, that's wrong. You got
it does, you gas your wall up a little
You're
bit.
Like, okay, I don't do this now.
But you got to realise that we don't, because fi ddim yn siarad Cymraeg yn perffaith o gwbl. Fi'n yn y ddeddf and then we speak it in a completely different way, different dialect type of thing. So just go with it, fi'n meddwl. You can do anything with the Welsh language. There's no boundaries, fi'n meddwl. Speak it how you want to speak it.
Pryd dwi'n ffilmio iaith ar y daith, dwi'n siarad bob dydd gyda pawb ar y set. I said, just siarad Cymraeg gyda fi and I properly immersed myself in Cymraeg and by the end of the week I was almost just came naturally.
That's the main thing. Gwylio teledu, what you're doing now as well, coming on shows like this and Neud hyn. Ti just yn mynd I dasgu because it's putting yourself under that spotlight and putting the pressure on you.
It's scary.
It's scary, but you're doing it, that's the main thing.
Diolch yn fawr.
We love it. Partri DJ, but the ti'n gwahoddi, headline or gig mawr yng Nghymru? Any DJs in the world?
Any DJs.
Gig in Nghymru, yeah.
Peggy Go.
Yeah.
Peggy Go, that's a good one.
Peggy Go. Annie Mac.
Annie Mac, legend.
I think all the girlies. The girlies. Who else? Annie Mac. Flavor D.
Flavor D.
Flavor D.
Flavor D. Yeah,
grime-ish. Like,
Pwy sy'n, who do you look up to, DJ-wise?
Pobl fel Annie Mac ac,
Menywod, yeah.
Ariel Free.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, mae'n kind of, what's the word? Inspirational.
Yeah.
Dylan Waddle? Inspirational. Dylan Waddle, that's stuck ar y pen.
Wyt ti'n meddwl mae'n anoddach I fod yn DJ sy'n merch? Is it harder to be a female DJ, less opportunities? Ti'n teimlo?
Dwi'n meddwl, nowadays, I think it's more equal and, it's more, they're more trying to be more inclusive of female artists. But I think maybe like 20 years ago, it wasn't so much, but I think things are starting to change and they're being more inclusive, which is nice.
People opening doors. Annie Mac's T.D. Dwayne, who's just a legend. Yeah,
kind of paving the way for...
Yeah, and you've got the performing DJs, Peggy Goo, like, she's huge now. Yeah. So, yeah.
So dwi'n meddwl pobl, fel Peggy Goo and Annie Mac kind of paved the way at times that I'm sort of changing.
Yeah.
So, it's definitely become more.
Yeah. Where's your favourite place? Lle di hoff, lle ti di DJ ar?
Ar Cardiff Stadium.
Am y cwp yn y byd stuff.
Gyda Cymru. Dwi'n, achos mae'n taulu mawr, Cymru, Cymraeg football fans, Cymru football fans. Everyone's there, achos dwi'n support the team, caru pêl-droed. So it's a nice atmosphere. Everyone's up for it.
Wyt ti'n gwybod, do you know what a idiom is?
Like a sentence?
Yeah, it's like a... Sut ti'n dweud e? You say it was like a...
Like who's let the cat out the bag?
Yeah.
Like a saying.
Yeah.
So fi'n mynd I gofyn ti idiomau.
Oh gosh.
Ti angen dweud beth maen nhw'n meddwl, yeah?
Yeah.
So, yr un gyntaf. Mynd dros ben llestri.
Going over the top?
Yeah. Mynd dros ben llestri. So, over the top of the dishes, I guess.
Like dramatic?
Yeah.
Dramatic.
Dramatic.
Translate them because they're weird. Man, I'm weird.
Going over the top of
going
the dishes.
over the dishes?
Yeah, that's what it is.
So like dramatic?
Yeah.
What is it again?
Mynd dros ben llestri.
Mynd dros ben llestri.
Llestri. His dishes. But who says llestri, like?
Have you
ever used those?
Llestri.
Yeah, ti'n mynd dros ben llestri. I've said it before.
I've said, yeah, I've already dweud e. Mae fel, dyna beth oedd athrawon yn dweud, lot. That's what
ti'n meddwl amdano fe, and you're like, you're going over the dishes, that's crazy. Like,
going over the dishes, they do too.
Right then, ni nesaf. Rwy'r fiddle yn y to.
Fiddle, like violin?
Yeah.
So is that...
Rwy'r fiddle yn y to.
Like sympathy? Like a little mini violin?
I see where you're coming from. Ti'n fi dweud? Do you want me to say?
Yes, please. I'm intrigued now.
So, rwy'r fiddle yn y to is to give up, isn't it? If you just like pack it in, like
Rwy'r
you just
fiddle
give
yn y
up. I don't know why. Oh, that means putting the fiddle in the roof.
Yeah, I don't know why putting a violin in the roof.
Yeah, I don't know.
So it's shoving a violin in the roof?
Yeah,
and that means giving
just
up.
like we do on a regular daily basis here in Wales. People probably think, what is going on with Wales? To be honest.
Oh, this one's funny. Have you heard Croeso? I haven't heard this one. Fel rech mewn pot jam.
Yeah, God, that don't sound good.
Jam?
Put
something in a pot of jam?
Yeah, rech.
Sounds a bit...
Like a fart in a jam pot. I don't know what that means.
I don't know. I'm guessing that it means...
You think it's nice, but
it's bad. Like you open up, you think the jam's going to be good, boom, you open it up and someone's just absolutely blown their ass into it.
I reckon that must mean rhywbeth sy'n... Ti'n meddwl mae'n dda.
Yeah.
And when ti'n gweld am I ddim yn y fart.
Fart in a jam.
Let's go to the audience.
Yeah, but you can...
Be di yn meddwl?
There's...
Useless.
You can buy... people sell their farts in jars on eBay. I haven't done it.
Nah, fi di gweld stuff and I'm like selling this sweat and stuff. So, hoff gan Cymraeg?
Pwy Sy'n Galw?
Pwy Sy'n Galw? Second favourite hoff, that is. Dafydd Fyw yn ymwyr o hyd.
Yeah.
Mae can helpu fi dysgu Cymraeg, ac os dwi'n caru the can so much, dwi'n dysgu'r the lyrics ac dwi'n deall everything. And, yeah.
Legendary.
Yeah.
Mae'n sôn am y iaith Cymraeg yn y can of him. It's talking about the language and the...
Yeah, it is
to a degree.
Yeah.
I love it, yeah. Dwi'n caru ac... you know, it's associated as well now gyda'r Cymraeg pêl-droed. Mae Dafydd Fyw yn canu ar y pitch.
Yeah.
And it's just really beautiful.
Yeah, Dafydd Fyw yn a legend hefyd. Mae dwi'n loads am y iaith.
Such a legend.
Ti di cwrdd o fe?
Yeah, gyda'r cwpwn y byd.
Yeah, hyfryd.
Dwi'n actually sang ymwyr o hyd ar y karaoke.
No.
With Dafydd Fyw in the room.
Oh, really?
And he was like, well done.
That's a moment, that is.
Oh, then have
That's
this.
pressure.
Dwi'n ofnadau ar canu. I think he just felt sorry for me. Well done, da iawn.
Reit te, un bach arall gan ddo fi. Beth yw'r peth gorau am dysgu Cymraeg?
Best thing about... Mae perf gorau ar dysgu Cymraeg. Cwrdd pobl ar y siarad Cymraeg community.
Yeah.
Ac dwi'n teimlo closer to country, the country. Just kind of opens your eyes and you see Wales in a completely different light.
Yeah.
It's mae'n hoel dysgu'r lyrics ar can, just a whole new understanding of Cymru and feeling of pride.
Ers i ni siarad mwy Cymraeg hefyd wneud stuff yn y Cymraeg, I completely get you ahead with when you speak it, a mae pawb yn, mae rhywun yn siarad e hefyd and they realise you start speaking Welsh, it's an instant connection for them.
Yeah.
A mae'n cymuned lovely.
Dwi'n teimlo proud as well pryd dwi'n siarad Cymraeg gyda pobl.
Yeah.
Yeah, mae'n hyfryd.
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah, I think it's enough.
Love that. Okay, so obviously ti'n dysgu Cymraeg and sometimes, you know, you can have a few mistakes in there.
Yeah.
What are some funny fuck-ups siarad Cymraeg ti di cael?
Dwi'n pre-rec, thankfully, gyda'r radio station.
Yeah.
Ac mae gofyn fi beth wyt ti'n hoff gair, word, yn Gymraeg. Ac dwi'n dweud, mae hen gair am jellyfish.
Oh, bedia, what is the word?
What is that?
Ti'n eisiau rannu fe, Danny? Can you share it with us?
Contamor.
Contamor.
O'n i actually ddim yn gwybod hwnna. I didn't actually know that until you said it.
Contamor. Ac, yeah, they said to me, gallu ddim dweud that on it.
No, yeah, see, the C word in English is horrible, yeah?
Yeah.
Yn Cymraeg,
It's quite friendly, innit?
Yeah, young cont.
Iawn cont, yeah. And,
Fi'n cofio tro cyntaf fi chwarae ffwtbol efo Cymru, though, y tîm Cymraeg. A boi di dod lan I fi mynd, ti'n iawn gont?
It's
And I was
Owen,
thinking in my head, but I'm not even gwybod. I was like, what are you calling me that for, bro?
What are you saying?
serious or what? Okay, so, ni'n gwybod beth sy'n digwydd nawr.
Quick fire questions.
oh, okay.
Unrhyw beth, yeah?
Unrhyw beth, anything in the world.
Oh,
mae'n
gosh.
gyntaf. Beth yw hoff bwyd ti?
Dwi'n caru... trio meddwl ar food yn Gymraeg. Chocolate. Dwi'n hoffi'r simple kind of.
Yeah.
Nothing too spicy.
Yeah, fi'n cytuno.
Favourite musician?
Oh, the Beatles.
Beatles, nice.
Beatles, obsessed. We're obsessed.
Oh,
Classic.
hoff can y Beatles?
Mae'n anodd. My hoff can changes.
Yeah.
Ar hyn o bryd, fy hoff can, Norwegian Wood.
Norwegian word. Fi heb clywed.
Fi ddim yn gwybod lot o stuff
I don't
Beatles.
know.
Mae'n proper psychedelic.
Uncultured fi ati ni.
We got a different culture.
Gofyn ni rhywbeth, yeah. Okay, question nesaf. Snog, marry, kill. David Iwan. Mark Drakeford. Dom.
Why am I in this?
Oh, that's a tough one. Oh, gosh.
Tish fi newid Dom? I'll change Dom, shall I? Snog, marry, kill. So Mark Drakeford. Did I say Mark Drakeford?
Mate.
Who else did I say? David Iwan. Nay, Mr. Irv.
Mr. Irv. That's a, I don't want to upset anyone. I don't want to upset Mr. Irv.
He's a sensitive guy to be fair.
Yeah. Marry David Iwan.
Yeah.
Snog Mark Drakeford.
Kill Mr.
Kill Mr. Irv.
No, I don't
He's
want
the cornerstone of our culture.
I don't want to kill anyone though.
Nick him off. First of all, I feel disrespected you even put me on that to kill the people, mate. Are you serious? Oh, no offense, Mark. No offense, David. But come on now.
Oh no.
Jesus.
I don't want to kill anyone.
What's you say, Mr. Irv? Mae ddim yn person, na?
He's like a...
Mae fe'n triongl.
Triangle full of feelings.
He's a sensitive man, a sensitive
So
guy.
meddwl mae'n gwylio Hansh anyway. Dyna ni fi'n meddwl. Diolch yn fawr am dod ar y pod.
Mae di fod yn pleser.
Yeah.
Diolch yn fawr for having me.
Na, gwych. Fel wedi sydd, ddim wedi bod yn pleser. Diolch am gwylio a ni'n mynd i bod nôl gyda un mwy raglen o'r Pwy Sy'n Galw pod. Dyna ni am nawr, cofiwch tan sgrifio.